All right. So another session. I actually didn't end up trading. I took a day off. I didn't look at the markets. I didn't get up for the markets. Slept in. I wanted to just get a fresh start. I didn't want to get into the market after losing an account with the mindset of, revenge trading or trying to get everything all back or being in profit. I didn't feel that I had the mindset all in place. So this is just a trade, or this is a recap of what happened in the session and playing out what I could have done. Just a little back testing of today's morning open. And, you know, seeing this now, it gives me like a fear of missing out, or I should have been able to catch this. I would have made a lot of money, all these kind of thoughts. But opening up the charts, just go into your back testing, see what you could have done because every day is going to be different. I mean, that move alone, this red move right here is what took out my entire account um, because I was anticipating for reversal, and it just wasn't my strategy that I laid out for myself. I went back into like my first 2 or 3 years of trying to catch the bottom and trying to predict the top. That was just bad trading. It was more gambling, actually. From the previous session, I was talking about how emotions really took over and it became a gambling type of trading session, which is not where I want to be. And when I opened up the charts, a lot of emotions came up, which is okay. I ended up just grabbing some tools and started drawing things out, seeing where price came from, and started to make some realization about the market's always going to be here, and that I cannot feel that I'm missing out moves. There's always going to be moves. People are catching, you know, buy and sell every single day. Like I'm a part of this Discord group, and they're watching US 30 and NAS, and a handful of people caught like a US 30 short, and a lot of people caught the NAS, long, and it just really made me realize like the market's always gonna be here. You just have to really develop your own skill set of how you see the market, how you manage your risk, and most importantly, how you manage your own emotions. Can I continue to grow my trading skills without having to rely so much of my emotions? Because I hear one voice saying, hey, okay, you got your two trades, get out. And then the other delusionally optimistic voice is just saying, no, you can continue to trade and work your way up. And the more trades you do, the faster you get to success. And that's not how trading works. And so now I'm going to be patient. I have to be patient, or else I'm going to continue to lose, which is not a good feeling. And so right now, all I'm doing is just speculating. I want to continue to educate myself. Um, and that's the thing that I'm learning from, a lot wiser traders out there is they're really, all they're really doing is speculating and predicting where price is going to go next. So I want to continue my career in trading. There are times where I want to feel like I want to stop, but it's inevitable because every time I open up my laptop, my chart's right there, so I get right back in, and that's a good thing, because this is definitely something I want to continue to learn and grow. So I'm gonna take it one step at a time and look to avoid the big losses. Understand that I can take small losses, and then whatever the market gives me, I'll just be thankful for that. I mean, in hindsight, it looks so easy to hold these trades for 5 minutes. On the left hand side right here, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candles that are 5 minutes. It could take an hour, 2 hours sometimes for everything to play out. That's probably why I like to trade the breakout. Um, but I need to learn how to just manage my risk a lot better. I am seeing that, holding my trades is something I really need to work on. And I am speculating that price is going to continue, not right away. Maybe after this high, it'll start to retrace and pick up more orders. And that's the thing I've also learned about how the market moves, is it needs to have retracements like this big retracement, in order for it to collect more momentum, volume, orders, money, to get to the new level. So I'm anticipating for NAS NQ to go 25,500 and possibly even past that. So this would be the section right here that I would be trading. So a lot of these sections, it's very easy to look back on where price went, but I want to start focusing on how things can start to play out right here. So thanks for watching the video. Hope you have a good day. Keep trading, and let's continue to get better.